Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make cowfoot pepper soup. Hope you are ready for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. For my newbies, you are highly appreciated, and if you keep coming back, you are blessed. So the ingredients I will be using to prepare this are the first thing I have here is dry scent leaves. You can go on and use fresh one. I have some crayfish already blended and habanero pepper. Use as much pepper as you want, okay? I also have some seasoning powder here. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. I have these pepper soup spices which my hubby bought from ShopRite, Nigeria. Normally I don't buy this type of thing because I don't know what they miss inside. So that's why I have my own pepper soup spices here. These ones are blended by my mom when she came for Omugo, and in here is some Oda, Oziza, dry pepper, dry ehuru, that's African nutmeg, and whole Oda, the one that is not blended. That's the long one there. So I also have one large onion. You can use any color of your choice. I will be adding some thyme, some salt, and here is the cow food already prepared, washed, clean. I brought it out from freezer this morning and now is evening. So it's ready to be cooked, and I'll be using my pressure cooker because cow food takes a lot of time. Without pressure cooker, I think almost 2 to 3 hours you're still cooking this, but with pressure cooker, highest 1 hour depending on how you set your pressure cooker. So I'll be cooking on a high heat because I'm saving energy, guys. Electricity bill is on a high side, so you have to save energy. That's why sometimes I cook a lot of meals at a time. Sometimes I will stand up and cook 4 soups at a time just to save energy. So I added water to the level where it is calibrated maximum. So I'll be adding the seasoning powder. I just throw in my onion like that so as to take it out when the meat is done, but you can go ahead and slice in your onion if you wish. Then I added the pepper soup spices, different spices which I introduced earlier. I'll be adding some thyme. You can as well add oregano or basil if you have that. Then I'll be adding the mixed pepper soup spice, store-bought. I'll be adding some salt to taste. Then I will cover and start cooking this for 40 minutes. But meanwhile, before I leave here, I will also set the pressure of my pressure cooker to the maximum, and I'll also be turning the alarm to 40 so that once it's 40 minutes, I will come back. And now it's 40 minutes, I'm back. I just release the pressure. Once the steam is out, I will open the pot to check. When I checked, it is not yet done, properly done. I think at least 80%. Yeah, for me it's okay like this. I could eat it this way because I love hard meat, but my hubby doesn't like hard meat, and also because of Mona, I'll be cooking it more. So I just check for salt. Now is the right time to check for salt, to check for seasoning. You can adjust seasoning if it's not enough. If you're still watching up to this extent, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. So right now I'll be adding dry scent leaves, but if you're using fresh scent leaves, you don't need to add it now. You can add it at least 2 minutes before you take down the pot from the cooker. I'll follow it up with the crayfish and habanero pepper. I will still be adding a little bit of salt because I noticed the salt I added earlier wasn't enough, but you can go ahead and add seasoning cube if that's what you want to add, because it contains salt. Then after that, I will cover and cook for 10 minutes. If you don't have dry scent leaf, you can go ahead and use fresh basil leaf or oregano. And after 10 minutes, my pepper soup is ready. And guys, you are invited here just to come and perceive the aroma in my kitchen, not just to come and eat though, because I'm selling this, so if you want to eat, you're gonna pay me, okay? Don't mind me, I'm only joking. You're invited, come and join me, guys. And the pepper soup tasted so yummy. That is it for today's video. Bring your plate, let me dish out your own for you. Hope you learn one or two things. Hope you enjoy the video. And if you do enjoy the video, remember to share out the video, comment, and give the video a thumbs up. Until I come your way again, bye and see you in my next video. Called the Baziana. The banyo.